time it is. It's time! Woo! It's Kim time, baby! Woo! What's up, guys? Today is the day. Just passed through Boston. I was gonna hold the phone and make a video while I was driving, but not through Boston. I would have crashed and it would have been a different kind of video, and I wouldn't have got the cam in. Cam's in the back. Actually, the Kim's in the back seat. All my parts would have went everywhere. It would have been a mess. But I'm heading down the Cape to Mark Rojee's garage, and I forgot my little suction cup thing in my windshield, so I gotta hold the phone while I do this, which is fine. I'm just saying, if you see this, that's why. That's why you see this, because I'm holding the phone. Throwing the HPT cam in from Mo's Performance. We're also putting the 3000 stall converter in. Gauge. Might take my resonators off too, I don't know yet, if we have time. Mark is a good MIG welder, so I want to get the most out of him this weekend. Yeah, core 4x4, baby. Yeah, buddy. Joey the Taco Bellagio. I know you're loving this shirt. So I would like to do a cam install video. I'm gonna try to take as much footage as I can so it helps you, rather than helping me, because I mean I'm learning too. I'd like to do a cam install video. We're gonna have fun either way, but I would like to have that format where someone can come by the video and get something from it, rather than me just being an idiot and ragging on Mark Rojee the whole time. Mark, calm down, dude, will ya? Yes, you do, bro. Just kidding, little buddy. We're gonna have some fun, man. I can't wait. What else? What else? The cam is nestled in my back seat with the REM Flex. I got REM Flex gaskets recommended by Greg Byrne. They're almost guaranteed not to leak. They are delicate. You gotta be careful putting them in, but they're guaranteed not to leak. I had a couple leaks last time with my shorty headers with the 6.1 OEM gaskets. So I'm hoping, because there ain't nothing worse than a header leak. You're doing all this work and you got a header that leaks. It's like, I gotta do this again and again and again and again. It's like spark plugs. Nothing's worse than changing your spark plugs 5 times in 1 week. I actually did it twice in 1 week, and wasn't having fun. So I'm heading down into the Cape, and I will continue footage as I roll up to the garage to meet Rojee. Yeah, buddy. All right. I have about another 45 minutes till I get there. I am pretty excited. Also tired. The baby was up last night. And good job to my wife, man. She holds the fort down. She really takes care of the baby while I try to catch some Z's. But I can hear it. But she's a good woman, man. Behind every strong man is a strong woman. Remember that. I think Sylvester Stallone used to say that. Hey, yo, you got a big mouth, you know? I got a Ram next to me right now on the highway with very loud tires. Ram fan, baby. I also want to do a video on Mark's truck. Possibly a separate video, because he's put a lot into it. His diesel Ram. That would be cool to get all the stuff he's done to it, what he plans on doing to it. That should be its own video in itself. I might just integrate it into this video. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. But I'd definitely like to get some footage on that truck. That thing's a beast. That thing screams. Very unique sound diesels make when they got power. Nice. Oh, look at this. Here he is, bro. The man of the hour. I made it. We gotta begin. This thing gotta cool down. But we're gonna start pretty soon. Everybody's here too, his whole family. My family's coming down. This is like a little family get together instead of a garage kid. People don't like these, but these are beautiful. Just better flow than the manifolds. While Rojee's over there doing inspections, I'm over here taking intakes off. Intakes off, boxes out, taking the grill off. There goes that screw.
There.
An 8-speed that's off is in neutral. Rojee.
Alright, let's disconnect the battery.
Neutral safety switch, baby.
Let's disconnect the battery.
Disconnect.
Yo, are these good if you drop them?
Ah, no. They're not good if you drop them. Why you starting, bro? Why you starting?
Just wanted to see if they would hold.
Gotta clean them core 4x4s.
Fuck those.
They're dirty. What'd you say, Rojee?
These are fucking weird.
What? You got a problem with my core 4x4s?
All you guys make cores, make core 4x4.
What you doing, Rojee?
Just draining the antifreeze.
Oh, we have a long way to go, don't we?
Yo, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, boy. Oh, we got a customer.
It's my stepmother.
That's your stepmom?
Hi, Patricia.
Patricia. Hi, Patricia. So I just texted Flying Ryan, Mr. Ryan Hogan. We're putting NGK 6619s in. I think they're a 1 step colder for the cam. We're gonna throw those in right now. We're gonna order them right now. Rojee's ordering them. And we're gonna get them put in. Gotta make the tuna happy, man. Look who showed up! Look who showed up! Little baby! Who's the beautiful baby? Who's that? You come help Dad out with his truck? You come help Dad out with his truck? You wanna help him? You wanna jump in there and help? Addie came by. She's gonna start twisting some wrenches.
I saw that guy out the gas pumps with my buddy Barry, so I'm like, what's up, Barry? And he looks at me and he's like, who are you, dude? I'm like, oh, I thought you were someone else.
Oh, geez. Intake's off. Upper and lower plenum's off. Rojee just hooked the water pump off. Cam's over here. Got Renflex gaskets, Mopar head gaskets, pushes. We're gonna soak them in some oil soon. Gauge, push rods. Here's the stall, 3000 stall converter. What's up?
Soak them in this right here.
This is a Tropin shop. Be careful, watch your toes. So we got to take the heads off next. I really can't do an install video. This is too much going on.
I know, that's what I tried.
Yeah, it would be like a 3-hour video. So we're just gonna do step by step here. I wanted to do an install video, it ain't gonna happen.
What? But.
And we're priming the Hellcat lifters in 5W20 oil.
What's up, man?
Get all the air out of them. Make sure they're nice and primed, sitting in Earl.
Are you guys together? Yeah.
Non-MDS.
How are you?
Alright, Rojee got the harmonic balancer almost off. Get this accessory bracket off and get to the cam. But before we do the cam, we're taking the heads off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna pull the heads next and then set timing. Marks up. Pull her apart.
Nice, dude. Look at that.
Yeah!
Valve covers are coming off. Little Rojee fits inside of an engine bay. I don't fit in there. Rojee fits in there. Our valve covers are off.
Dude,
Spark plugs.
guess what I'm about to pull out of this where this valve cover was?
What?
You aren't even gonna believe this, seriously.
What? Are you serious?
That was sitting right here. Get close up to that. That is where that was sitting when the valve cover came off.
Wow.
I cannot believe, you are lucky that you just.
Good job, Herb Chambers. Wow. Reman motor sent in for a warranty and they left me a little present. Seriously, that.
Swear to God, that came out of the head. You saw me just pull the valve
I'm
cover
not surprised, but
The valve cover just came off.
it's like we gotta cover your engine on a warranty. We're gonna give you a little something just in case to mess up your day, just in case it bounces around, catches a spring.
Keep that away from here.
Wow.
That's like a.
On the right.
Yep. Like that.
Up, Rojee. What you doing, buddy?
Just got one more exhaust bolt to take down.
Taking the exhaust bolts off of the stock manifoldies.
Collector
That
bolts.
one's already loose. Doing that side. Then we're gonna remove the heads, right?
Yeah.
There's that sink that has that wrench. I gotta get him a new valve, man. Look at that thing.
It's hurting, dude.
Dude, that thing's hurting. Can't use that vice grip. No. It's being used.
Take this.
Heads are off. Cam's coming out in a few.
Look at that. No, that's nothing. Just
Is
dirt.
it good? Oh, what's that?
Just dirt.
Oh. They good?
Good, man. Ain't putting it back in.
It's a girl.
Oh,
It's a girl.
we're having a girl, dude. Look at that.
It's a baby. Cam's way too new to. It only has 4,000 miles on it. It's way too new to detect any wear and tear. All right, so we're putting the shim kit in with these LS springs. LS springs. Single beehive. LS1 valve springs. Whatever.
I think they're meant for different
Yeah.
applications.
Hey, if they're good enough for an LS, they're good enough for a HEMI, right?
Use those.
These are a lot stronger. That's the old cam. I'm putting the springs on. We're in somebody's car. Don't know whose it is.
Listen to the wheel bearings. We're test driving this.
Oh, we're test driving it because it has a bad wheel bearing. We just got sushi, kid.
We went
Sushi.
2 feet up the road.
Where we get it from? Saga
Fusion.
ya Fusion. Gotta eat, man. You got something in my eye. Gotta eat.
Totally gotta eat. Yeah, we gotta eat.
Gotta eat. This thing's small, man. Look how close our elbows are together. Dude, is that a Chevrolet tattoo when you're on them?
And a camshaft.
Oh my god.
Chevy.
I gotta turn this off. Chevrolet.